Hi, I'm Popoy Navarro, the Assistant Marketing Manager for Sunrisers Brunch and Bistro. Brunch is such an appealing concept for people. You're always going to have a good time at brunch, and I think that's something that in today's busy world, everyone's so attracted to having brunch with friends and family, and even by yourself. No? That's why we really wanted to focus here for brunch at Sunrisers. We're not restricted to just breakfast. Our brunch menu lasts the whole day. We also have some lunch options. We have desserts, we have halo-halo, we have mais con hielo. We also have your coffee and drink selections. And that's something that I think we offer unique to the Cebuano market. And that's something the Cebuanos really look for right now. Something comfortable, something homey, something warm that they can enjoy all day long or any time of the day. The whole concept now, but just tell you a backstory, it really took inspiration from a group of senior golfers. So the grandparents of the owners of Sunrisers, they used to gather together every morning to play golf before going to their busy day, and they call themselves the Sunrisers groups because they really like to start the day with good people and good vibes. And that's something we wanted to bring in here. Our goal is when you hear these kinds of food, immediately you get up out of bed and go straight to the dining table at home. So that's the whole concept for our food. And our layout is pretty similar. It's a throwback diner mixed with retro, modern elements that really encourages socialization. And it's really a place to get together and share the good vibes with people. And that's a concept that we really wanted to impart to our customers here in Sunrisers Brunch and Bistro. So our main offering really is our Sunrisers signature brunch option. So we have our Filipino breakfast, which is Sunrisers, we call it Sunrise Silogs. So it's your classic rice, garlic rice, viand. You can choose tocino, tapa, longanisa, chorizo de Cebu, or buwan, and paired with an egg. And that's one of our main offerings. Aside from that, we have the Good Morning America. That's our Western breakfast where you can choose bacon, ham, or sausage, and pair it with a waffle or with the bread and make it into a sandwich. One thing also unique, we also offer panini sandwiches. Personally, my favorite is the grilled cheese and tomato basil dip. It's such a unique. I've never tried it in my life. So we have paninis. We also have our bites. So that's our local favorites that are go-to Cebuano breakfast that are iconic. No, you have the puto sikwati. So that's our Cebuano breakfast set. So that's puto or budbud with mango and sikwati. You also have champurrado, and we also have arroz caldo. And aside from that, we also have lunch bowls, burger steaks, chicken teriyaki, salpicao, and our Sunrisers kumba. Aside from that, we also have desserts, mais con hielo and our halo-halo. And we also have an affogato, ice cream, and espresso mix. As usual, our coffee and tea selection is also pretty extensive. So you guys can follow us on social media. On Facebook, we're Sunrisers Brunch plus Bistro. On Instagram, we're at Sunrisers Brunch Bistro. And we're open here at the ground floor of the Pad Co-Living from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. I hope to see you guys here. Let's rise to good vibes here at Sunrisers Brunch plus Bistro. Hi, I'm Popoy Navarro. Catch Sunrisers on Kita.